Hello and welcome to Scottish Maths Tutor. Today we're going to talk about how you can evaluate a function. So evaluating a function is simply to replace its variable with a given number or expression and then calculate the result. So we'll wipe the board here and we'll go through a few examples. So given that f of x equals x squared plus 2x, evaluate f of 4. Now remember, all we're doing to be able to evaluate the function properly is to replace the input variable x with the value 4 and calculate. So if we do that here, so f of 4 equals 4 squared plus 2 times 4. So 4 squared is 16, and 2 times 4 is 8, and 16 plus 8 is 24. So our input of 4 gives us an output of 24. Or another way to write that is f of 4 equals 24. We have replaced our variable with a given value, an input of 4. So we're going to wipe the board here. And let's stick with our current function and change some of the input variables and see what output it gives us. So, given that f of x equals x squared plus 2x, evaluate f of y. So this is showing that we can actually just replace that variable with an expression, a very simple expression. So f of y equals y squared plus 2 times y. Now, we followed the same process of replacing the input variable, but this time it's with a new variable, an expression, y. So as this variable is an unknown value, we can't simplify the answer any further. So our input of y gives us an output of y squared plus 2y. Or f of y equals y squared plus 2y. So we'll keep the same function again, just to make it simple. For the function above, evaluate, and we'll do a slightly more complex expression this time. For the function above, evaluate f of y plus z. So slightly more complex here, but if we do the same thing and we just replace the variable with a new value or expression, that would mean f of y plus z equals y plus z squared plus 2 times y plus z. So we'll just we'll multiply out the brackets of y plus z times y plus z, and that gives us y squared plus 2yz plus z squared plus 2y plus 2z. And again, as the previous example, this answer can't be simplified any further. So the input of y plus z gives us the output of y squared plus 2yz plus z squared plus 2y plus 2z. Though sometimes the answers can be fairly complex, but the actual process of replacing the variable with a new input and calculating the output is fairly straightforward. So I hope these examples have given you a good idea of how to take a function and evaluate it by replacing its variable with a given value or expression and calculating the answer. Don't forget to hit subscribe, tap that like button, and leave a comment. Let me know if you need any Scottish Maths topics explained in more detail, and I'll put together a video for you. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.